Who's on your shirt?
Cinderella.
Is she cool?
Yeah, she's beautiful.
Oh.
She's beautiful.
Hey, Aaron, make the sound of make the sound of Rachel.
There's a brand new baby at Hannah's house. A brand new baby at Hannah's house. A brand new baby at Hannah's house. A baby and her family. Babies are very special. They need lots of love and never knew. But Hannah is older and bigger, and she is special too.
All right, that was great. Yay! Say hooray, hooray.
Yay! Yay for Hannah!